Yo Nyankopon asum die nka nyame manfo nyina nanso me betwa Pentecost asem no so na afi me ye afiri ho. Abusuan adofo se waba page ana uti asem no bia tie ni se otene ni nye Kristo ni. A Kristofo anti nyame so manse. A Kristofo pentokwa. Wona edi Kristo din to won so no na omote nyame so manse se obi a kwasoro bia ye Kristo ni but ye anti nyame so manse. Enti ya na nanse binom de abase Nyankopon suma kramoni bi ena osuma no na wanko no wadane na boa na Kristofo gidi no mo de ko enye sa na Bible kire yi Nyankopon de adwuma hye wonza no wanya pressure no de beto so wanya wo hunto ba se okoda no wa mo de ade enti adwuma amete ha meye no enye me peso eye osuma dwumadie on trawo mani wo enye kwa enti wo hwe ne nkofo de ne nkofo no de nipa bi na eye nipa bi a woni won wa pam ena from time to time we yi won no wa kire won wo fam ba bi a wo twafa eno na unexpectedly me ma be pie mu bia mete ha na me ye enti me kanya me ansama na da Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp ne bi be ka won za fa kuma peti nye nipa ye de ehunu na ene sa no manoma no ba me so ko adwuma na me ye no me ye ne se ohye so upo umpo nti osoma for Paul wose se me kan zempa na no wakatua manka so de ahye me nzara enti nye se na me prane me life but wose ye na de a wo ye oboye Kristo Yesu manyuma pa wasiesi ato ma yesi na ntumu nti se mraduru na wo de adwuma bi se ahye me nza tie no asopam na fatutu nyame asem amasem bia meka no na fa boa wo ho entie na chinyigye so enkreti bibia wo ho emwa wo mo create stories e wo Pentecost asori mo no ena yetu wonfo ena sese ye kire mo de ntia etesa samo ehunu problem na nsolve a I'm not the last person to leave the church. You continue to see people from time to time walking out from the church for a new ministry in God's own will. When Nyankopon no apem na soro no said the tie said e ba ko me ka kire ya na nya easy. Se Nyankopon na amfa basa kese a anyiwo a nya easy say what Pentecost asoro na agbo hu amanfo nim say no man go ye but say o take decision every mo no enough. Enti ansa na abawu se wo bie pue no na kire se ye biribi akoso ache Nyankopon adi na chi ache ansa na wo nya na mana pue amfa biribi so nipa no wonko enti ne na ko fefa no manoma bi so no bas de ana mo so madane na koye wo kopewe no muja ye bebo am enya asem papa because mama for bi de unu se sa na soro na tie it's not the right thing to do enti hono ya ni mo akasa enano ye ba be kire mo de entia Nyankopon yi nipa bi fra soro mu ko start new ministry because in kasa sa to ma chede nyina agum na ye adwuma babo hu na wo ye pue na mo create story atoso ndinano eno na wa hye me amede ba be ka akire mbe kire mo the status of this church former and current into the title the state of the church of Pentecost in God's sight. And the reason why God is taking some servant from the church to start another church or new ministry. Ye ba be kire mumu. Said the Nyankopon hu asore no. Ene de entia onya wanya amaye ye obi ankam. Asofo na afifiri mu na ya na maketi story ato on so they should have stay in the church and help move the church forward. But God is not comfortable with the state of the church. Inti basa ankonfo no mo wapam no yi won no akire fa wo de fa se de be ya ni wuro ni nye kwa obenya ni trimpo enkonfo yo ne sabeka won. The last video mi kira won se me ni ya se me yi ya sore nkofo ntina me all this one no me piji kwa me wi a me nka sore ya me ko na nkofo buzabuza te buzabuza na akoso ena wo makonya wrong information ntina nyame ngo pese me ya me from ma no masem matudwa ne nipa hu nipa ko ameye bebia me firi ne bebia me ko na se obi beboa no ho awaboa no enti se dem yere da mo man fa nwum yi entie emboaboa ye ho tie na sopam na tie emunsam no ebeboa wankasa o se maranata Yesu ereba
I believe with all my heart that Jesus is coming soon.
Are you ready to meet him?
Maranatha, baby,
Maranatha, Jesus Christ is coming again.
Maranatha. Yes, no, Mumanya, as for a certain to Corona, let us worship God in the acceptable way and stop argument, backbiting, false, story created, fabricated stories, conspiracy, gossiping, slandering. What a one the job show. Who's this animal? I didn't know you. That's what the Jumbi should do. Your Baba Janadi.
Ministers, animal hands of state. I read in a good body was here, as we say. Bonjour, and so I'm on to your maid. Every move we do, every move you want, so be glad you never. I read the second mama, I would answer. More friend to Mona Mumma, baby. That's when anybody wants it, maybe the kill soon, no be glad you never.
Yes, baby. Maranatha, baby. Maranatha, yes, baby. Maranatha, yes, baby. Maranatha, yes, baby. Maranatha, yes, baby. Amen. Jesus Christ is coming again is the message to all of you. Amen. Jesus Christ is coming again to the message. Medical catch them say, and you have no free Pentecost, me free me kwa apostolic and sana Nyankopon ma ministry. And then akeka no ebi aka menti wasoma me se me fa asem we emremo. Nti ti akenga asem edikai. Lucas empatia de onum yenu chichemu eduasa baako. Ene eduasa mienu. Luke chapter 22, 31 and 32. Simon hwe. Ankana Satan pese onyamo na opomo so se eburo. Nanso masere mama wo. Na ogidie no ansa. Na wo de sedaache wo dane a hye wo nuanom den. Sedaache wo triyeye na wotumi firi mu firi a. Boda wuro bi ma unuanom ehu saadom sem we nyina wo babrom yepua na yakan ya no atum na yenim se no man koye ba na ye de ekọ but na awie Awurade Nyankopon de nsa ka me akire me be se bosumi mienu ni akire ma ye bia enye esese me ba na be kire mu the status of the church in the presence of God de ekọ so ma mu hunu de mu hunu no enti me firimu ena makopie baabi ena Nyankopon asoma me se me nkire mo de ekoso asori no mo se be ya mo betumi adane mo ho na fabricated stories na mo create to mo ato efiri mo no so no eso betumi atwa na mo beti ase se mo anye de be so nyame ani a you will continue to see people walking out from the church. We are not the last people to walk out from the church. The moment ase sir. And the text of the man would be Jeremiah chapter 7, 1 to 29. Jeremiah chapter 7, 1 to 29. Now, point to point, the woman and I kai. Said the Nyankopon who the church of Pentecost. And a woman whole Bible quotation. Say me so nemo and casa. At the end, I did prepare for us on a quasia sort of from and on to watch them. So, we okay. And Kono Corona and Fanny Penfree have been got for. Can one answer the corona ni mubetre na we are osmasumako. But he's not comfortable with the status, what is happening in the church, with the scripture support. Jeremiah chapter 7, 1 to 20. Now, first one, false information spread quickly in the church. So false information is spread, nani nye ho. And some video first one, edi chire mo se Nyankopon on red pressure to me so. Nani nye nsema mo keka fa ne nkofo pray for asoro no no. Dear Jeremiah chapter 7, 1 to 4 and number John Ako 8. Was the Asama a friend in Jamba Jeremiah and Chain say Kojina Radi Fie Punkasiemu Nakopai Asami Yika say Muntia Radi Asam Muyuda Fonina Mofa Punkasiemu Basori Euradina. Maybe a journey Yuda for. And Nyankopon soma Jeremiah was one concept the year be. And I was share no man ko enti na wo kasa kire Yudafo and nye Yudafo. O kasa kire a Christopher wa. Mo pese mo sum Nyankopon mo sum for the church of Pentecost mu. Ewrade asem eba mo ngen nie enti mo ndie na mo hunu kwa mo fa so a mo betoto no mayi. Na sa nsem ekoso no eso atwa. Enti wo se mo ndie Ewrade asem mo a mu Yudafo nyina nti mu Pentecost fo nyina mo enipa Christopher nyina mo fa Pentecost asore kasie no mu ebe sore Ewurade de opaso agere no mu Yudafo nyina mo fa apon kasie yi mu be sore Ewurade nyina enti mu Christopher mo fa Pentecost asore mu sum Nyankopon nyina mo asem na ye de ba ne no mu ntie nie mu tie wi a no meja mo hoko. Yes, a word to a wife is enough. Yes, what I said, you also do was betting, won't take the home culture for no job or no bed for. In the now, what I said, you that for any you that for you, a Christopher, a far punkasium, a far Pentecost, a sorry casium, Pentecost, sorry, a sorry casium, Mamin Gabu. What's it called? You know, Radifie upon Casiano, emu. Now, copai, as some you were, Cassa. Mundia Radi Munya Mundia Radi Asem. mu Yudafoɔ nyinaa a mo fa ponkasie yi mo bɛsɔre Awurade nyinaa enti nano anya Jeremiah ekopo wasi mmegyina ha na memfa YouTube Facebook ne WhatsApp so nka nkyira Kristofoɔ a mo pesa mo sumu nyame a mo fa Pentecost asɔre kasie no mo sumu nyame nyinaa mo ntie ensema me ne mo ka ne yiye da bia me ka sɛ woti asase so betuma ya kasisem bia open no problem. Hey, asema woke make obubuetuma fupa obi we na pon na we ya ka we de sana men fast asem no ma me so many bra me de te an mo bia me fra me ka sem bia nkyere me. I'm not of myself. Samia na me so pass abrenga se me so makroko in a me so me twa sika gumbotum ntimi mo me pese obi a be fa fon na pon na asem we na ade na woke na se kan se wo na wo me coach dabi ho kronkron ntimi ne umtimi nyinya me nkonko adwuma nye temesra bu ho na bra wo wase ye nyina mbra ho wase ma Nyankopon fa bra no wase Yudafoɔ a mo fa ponkasie yi mu ebe suma Awurade nyina enanya Yudafoɔ bio Yudafoɔ nsum Nyankopon we ye nkom hye na na wo hye to ho ba no fa Pentecost ni hye on da ho akonya sibere waka gumazum se men kasa nche Pentecost fo nti mo Kristofoɔ a mo nsum Nyankopon fa Pentecost asɔre kasie no mu nyina mu ntia bi asɔ pɛso kire no no. That's the right way. Yango yenim. Say asafo Awurade Israel Nyankopon asienie. Nyankopon na akasa o entie ne se ko Paul asem mini asem. Mumma mo kwan ne mo ne yoe nya yie. Se mo mpese ni pe firi asori no mu a. Do the right thing. Make sure hasema enu aminarati story kirewi. Simply because of anybody or of penny be near to be antime maho. Na or the atro semidi. Pongo form of Macasama to me. The mintra na menegis battle side dabi. It is a moon person go for P. Frasoruma, was a Munyama coin, yeah. That is the word of God to the church of Pentecost. Munyama coin, ye. Namoma. Na mema matna hayi wase na mema matna hayi verse 4 mon fa mo ho nto atrosem so Awurade asori fie Awurade asori fie nie mama fa mo ho nto atrosem so ensama anya no kore yasin ko pa apostle ene wajai ene yanfa ma no ene wajai yasin ko pa asofo adi ene ye wokoya interview ene yanfa no ene wajai ebusuafo mi ni medesa o ma ko interview akodu nation bi akodu region yanfa o mo da tutiti asoro mu o mu nyaye nia mi yonko brebo wako interview ba ko Ghana ba ko America o mu nyina yanfa o mo da se ye da city asoro no mo zum nyame ko enti se nyame mmara so no wayi wo bi firi mu a mamo mfa nkotaache nyame dwuma bi enti wase atrosem mumma mfa mo ho nto atrosem so wo Pentecost asɔre mfa ho nto atrosem so yesi ena yesi okopa asofo adi yesi okopa eda yesi okopa diki yesi okopa dikne ena ya mfa ama no ena wagya yempre wase sadie Nyankopɔn pɛ ena wɔfrɛ Hong Kong match de Hong Kong chiche ono no chiche wuntimi ka sa open kom hye ana open ni so ade hu no ono de ono pe no de ma nya de o pe wuntimi ka che Yesu se wanya wa apostle ana wanya prophet ono Yesu fro ko osoro no ana ono chiche adu match de offices on said ono pe it is a wuntimi de wano ka se na wo kope we na anye na wo kope we na anye na wo kope we a mu ka gu Nyankopɔn ni mu ase mu ka se bia ho na mo ha no munim se di pa no monya no Nyankopɔn asem ne o se mo mfa mo ho nto atrosem so fa Bible na za kin ga bio wa wasema mo mfa mo ho nto atrosem so Awurade asori fie nie nti yan ya eku Pentecost ya dwene ye se Pentecost na Awurade asori nti ho na ye te no ho na ye mayen to obi obefiri mu bia no wa yera na sase ye creative bi to no so eye na ada na da man fa ko verse 8 no what is it mo de mo ho to atrosem a enye mahwe no so verse 8 no mo de mo ho to atrosem a enye mahwe no so Pentecost asori amafo wa adadanse wasama meken ho me we no za de we Bible ntia amafo be bo ntri nkopa secretly nye openly Some message we say obi to me like on Facebook and I got on go. Obi to me enya kokodro and like message on Facebook and also another pa. E chire no amafo bobo ntrinko. Enye openly because a Christopher na gu Pentecost on do mo to atrosem so. Asema mo tete fa asofo na nyame ayi mo pue no so no enya no koro. Enya no koro. God is not comfortable with the state of the church. And from time to time, we yin confo no mo apom ma ready. Amafo fifiri mu dada na sabe na me witness panyi a menti ase e kora me bae na gisika wasoro no na wo ma ajeja asoro no me ne da bi kasa na wo ne me ko baabi wo asema wo kan wo ya no obo bidin buza so wo hin wo se wajai ebuza fo by the time of papa na narrative story no ka kire me nipa ya me kai ya no mo ja wo soro no waja soro ya ne conversation in the bar no more than 10 the one me ne witness for no ye meeting say ne ye be ko won so te me gigi won number ndi ye ko ne ye no ma me ba ko so bra wa kasa pa mo ni age ho but asoro the meeting ma bi o ma wasi a ka won wasi ka won kwa dia sama se de woni mi akasa se de ne kasa e papa ba ko ai e friend misakoi ne ka ne ato no magum ne ka ye nyina egu ka no ka lessons kase kama no maboa wona no ne egum ne ye konsra so bi ba sore foforo ane akosra no na ya to bibi kakra koma o ma ejejae no magigi won number na me frefre wo ye kosrasra woni no makasa na maame ba ko de mete so no bo modere pa ye ko ye no kasa kama maame na ni agi a wo se wonyanko be ba best en na yanko po ko se munyama kwan yi anybody be bre wo nyanko be sa be de e ka wo mo pie ye no munya ni ye njo mo dime ma and this that mo be create stories no mo nyanko po tumo fo se munyama kwan yi period it number 1 a Christopher Musum Yankopon efa Pentecost asore kesiem watumufo Yankopon gina na asem so Jeremiah chapter 7 1 to 4 and verse 8 ne say mamu mfa mo ho to atresem so wakope we ya fa man no jaye no sansem na nyasem papa Yankopon ani nye ho sa asore kesie te say mo be sa ade no e kire say munnim na kwan ye na de a oyoye oboye Kristo Yesu mu anwuma pa wasiesie ato amanse ye nanti mu ni mo Ghana play smart we are makwa obi a me be da na makotra asafo from say me new convert class and no say me bobo o mu din elders na no mo ye leader no bobo o mu din mo pa mu sa wo e de odro de da abi mate la kan o mu nyina na me new convert class lead member abra nan me ko glatibia kwashi me also be open what ya say ndi mo jano so sa number 1 asema ese en kan kire mo no mo ntwu mo mfiri atrosem mama fa mo nto atrosem so disabre ye Yankopon adom nya meduru so a woda so ti asorum no hweso ye wasore kwasore a kofie kotie nyame asem bompa Awurade hu mo bo no nye wadom na wo hu ni ye na wo ntimi sum ni ye na se daachi wo ba wanka kire eno no mpaibo eno ne wade srede ye ne sa na yi wo firi nsem no mo keka no mu wow number 1 no number 2 justice is missing from the church. Atentri ni Pentecost. Yankopon ehu. Adansi die bebre gu onma nipa. Enti mama no guy chapter 7 verse 5 to 7. Me ka ba ko see verse 4. Ese me to aso from 5 to 7. Mama ka English na ho na US ne baye. If you really change your ways and your action and deal with each other justly, if you do not oppress the foreigner, the fatherless, or the widow, or do not shed innocent blood in this place, and if you do not follow other gods to your own harm, then I will let you live in this place, in the land I gave your ancestors forever and ever. It was Moses Makwan. Na enipa no nyina hu se atentrene ekos wasore no. Wasi ye ho no yen deal with justly. Enye we your sofo nua we your sofo ba we your so dabi. Sa de na ekos wasore no he Nyankopon. atentri ni na ni asoro asem ba ye hwede nipa ko a woye no ehe nyankopon na no madam fu bi ne kunu o emi immigration ni Ghana o ya member ne kunu no ma asoro pese yan dwenu ma me ne papa no onimi ame asem na me ne sua ade a koduru ba bi afa de wo hu sasem America ne no kore na soro ne nye ba bi o hye no me mu asoro ndi esa na se me se obi asoro tebe di nyame asem ane wo se ba bi o wo no otakoso tra ho ebe ha no oti asem ne nyina wie ya why convince no na asem se Pentecost so de wontimi ma bi adai maami abrewa bi ane na nana ati asoro no mu e wa Taifa Pentecost ana presade ya da yere eba abemu a okaka akọ nyinsɛn ababawa so maami wo yin so maami wo de minimara woni ona na abrewa na ti no mti asoro no and we can say do not oppress a foreigner, the fatherless, the widow. Maame no oyabrewa onikunu wane na neti. Ena ne hutwa ena presade da ba kwa nyinsen no. Na presade da no zu wosika wono ne ba wosika ko ware a abrewa nana. Enti wo mpre enya ne kore enya ne bana. Yebeka beka wo se eda no se nya ne bana wa bo ne bana no o ma ne bana nka se wono a nka we abranje de no ko papa ba wa no nka se nya wo ka se nya wo a o se nya wo enya wono a to ka se nya wono a yetu ababa wa na se na maami abrewa ene ne nana di awerehwo afiri asoduma kwetena fie di awerehwo ade we nya ko bedu nyame ani mo justice is not in the church. No. Nyamias what the man say from Jeremiah chapter 7. If you really change your ways and your actions and deal with each other justly, if you do not oppress the foreigner, the fatherless, or the widow, ababawa sese o maami no papa nyina awuo. Na baba o maami no papa nyina awuo na wani wana natie na wo hye no susa no na kwa ti se wo hye nyankopon awerehwo nyankopon na wo ha no nyankopon na wo ha no enti abrantie asisa asem wo ya wonim na wahunu na asori yete se de ontumi mabida onka nche na yire se ode ne be ma ye ka kire na yeze onya asori ko beto ono paade ontumi nkobida atentre ne eni asori no omoye kude ayenwa ama oda no akonya obi ba sikani bi wo kaneshi asori ama omaye nwa osofo adi ekiri akọ ama baba wa no de wono ababawa wanyina wie wonim ni kuro nyinsen no nti ebe wie mu kuro asa brante wono na dakura na dabi musa sa question. Justice is not in the church. Metiza da bi so awo kumase wono so o ja sore no na problem adaya presadia da kagu na nim ase se wadi asore sika Medi asoresika say wadi asoresika no on kama nti wo kagu na nim ase na manfo obebusa presade se wadi asoresika na dai abuzi se wo ya se papa yonku ya da gu na nim ase justice eni asore no ana asem we wane no yonku brebo ko sofo enim ko bo sofo amane enko sofo mfra presade da na de na presade da enchire breban ne die kwan be na da no fa so disika na ye hwefa yie ntuye na za we ya da no discuss ye twaso we dia so sika ye twaso no sofo no kwani presade na gamsu wo hu se no kuri nim nti wo doje ana da ne yonku no eko area head ho because ade no guzu koso ko area head was some presade da se medisika enti me pa jo fa wotumi be hwi mai na ye hu ba bi eda woni masofo no report bi se omo tisa omo pay attention pa bom fe bibi protocols eno na eye nyankopon ya sa mo protocols no ene ye Nyankopon ya wo ya na wa fa kire na wa ko frɛ sɔfo no na o ma fa kire na o ma hu sɛ nipa na the one in question na sɛ mo ye da na o mo jai o mu ni akire bio ebi ne me de ende o mo ye no na kyerɛ he de wo si ba mu a wo ba be hwe wo frɛ wo no afrɛ me kura but wo hunu nipa kura a asɛm no fa no no o brother wo de jai na wo de nya hwe jai na kwa sɔre no wate ɔsɔfo twa to me so wa ready gank no wo suro so be ha asɛm wo si justice is not in the church. And the area had the tea, I'm one and the other was asking of a chida, quite protocol, go by and failure. When we will grab you, we're near some native you. Hey, I just say, the young queen that this guy and one Omatia Kwana, Edan Crow, as I'm a promoter, I am an executive member. And also swear. Adabaku one cry. Yes, Omuko, sorry, now, or executive member, this is executive member. And ye review no mo to aba na odi ye ti ye to aba na odi ye o ma kenka bibie wi abobo o ma ya review o ma edo ma be ka ho wo ko review a ne fo kwenkwen ko fa ya osofo na efre ai osofo na efre na me ko fie na aba na me sa abo akire bio no enya wo na wi ni ye da bi a o ya juma wa kosombo sikasha no botum pafo no na wi ni ye about one a district presbytery na to awie na ya kenka ya bobo wie ya bompa ya bibie wie akofie no osofo nko atamba lord board na kofie ono ko akoba kire am ono ahuru se enye ya da sumasi na wi na emo ya da sumasi sensam no fira bonte efira so no mba na bedru ye nchen se bia na kire se nipa na wo kan onye comfortable with the situation but there is no justice or nothing mo ko he why na be di asem we ya ma no the say na Nyankopon hu asore no de nta wo yi nipa no number 1 moji atrosem di ye ka say obi ko pe bibia no moje de na mo de ko ha Nyankopon number 2 atantre ni asore no ye bu nipa ntanchi a unya okamafo ndi ada yi hwan na ode na tem ko nje osofo se wakofi akogba kire ene wakana no ato no odi ni hu yawo ene ankofo keka na na yere ono ada na yere na ebo mama ne o enye obi hu no dan na yere o ye decrease na afra me bo mama ne de ani kunu ye de adi nu ni abrante ba ko America ha obomodre nyamedwuma yi o ye kwasi ada nyina ma ne preach na mo fra ne so mra me ye deke wako interview local interview district interview regional interview bibia ye kama ye so wa pass ye kwaye ordination na sabra na azu na oba be ware e wo Ghana na wako fofufie ene sofo ye ho arrangement the one time bi okoi na sofo no ka jenze na wo ba mission as na bia na wo de zapan na sa na ye na sa na atete mo ndi osofo no question na sa de no de zapan ba mission because all ba no na go he kwanze gadakoro obeba na okura brodo ana se rubber bag bi ba ni pa na wono ne ho kire no a wo sa ware sikasam Ghana whole lot no wondo ni so de ties aba sofo ha e bia na dwene maso the sofo no question is and say what the who answer machine it the baby obenya no ye deke na wo koye no e ho no obenya no enti ade o mai bibia wi a ye dan duru ya ye ordination no ye bobodin no ye bobodin na ya deke no ya antini din wo brother no ya antini din wo ana so elders ni bi efa kire ko busan say na na be dey na ba when are you because we be report to ye there was no announcement there ye na film ba ya antini din obuza no say amezu minimo minimo de enta medi amam no mo go yo sofo na kama buza sofo se na sofo ye nu ya antini din o ye dodge sofo dodge Pentecost asorim osofo dodge ordination ko so wie na osofo pue bae papa ye nu ordination no ya penidi ya antini din ada ya na osofo so wo mazu ntina bi ni din film no na so wo mazu a ada na wonko ache tokrom yi din film oni o executive member ne board amoye na obobo mama na ese enua no mazu na are official e na wonko ayi ni din film man yi atentre ni eni asore no ana ada si eko frɛ brother no ko buza brother na wo so say yenim da say wo mazu ana was brother no buza say da say na ho na ka jo say mazu wo so fo na ka say mazu wo mazu no si twen no ko fa da zubo grata o bo zu wakana e ja bere ga no boss no de ba kire wo no mse na de ba nse no sofo na o no mbuza na o sofo ne kra ne nkan so bo ho asem da na mo okọ ni fie na ware na e ba no na o sofo ko ka sa de na o de sapan be fie o mfa bibie ma to onim za no ntina ono akọ create say o mo asu na obrande ha so obusa ya da na question enya bia Pentecost asori umu asu obawre re o mse da bi o se na sem bawre re bia enya bia Pentecost asori umu asu a utimi ja platform to preach kwesi da nyina na o mse da bi o se na sem da bia mo ana mo frem man be preach be dim pa agbanim worship ni ade nyina e da si na gina hoyi atentri ne wa asori mu a enkase sa asem we ye hwehwem wadi adiu kwa bia na abaye the chance kura osofo no anche kwa na man so eye na area head ya na ye na apostle let's why apostle boni awadi nyina o why apostle there is no justice in the church isane nyankopon hu asore no enti eye na ya no yi ni nkofo na odo mo ko chef frase a and that musa twatro to ozo emwa nti wase Ghana Christopher a Christopher amusum nyankopon fa Pentecost asore kesiem masam ena na yede to amamo meni Abraham ne nkofo awie ena so meni mo wie amesum awie modde meni Pentecost fo ani asem afi me kam nyamesam ko do wa so beti no atie bi wo pese Pentecost asore na abasore kesiem na arotrem na abaso nsem so a wa wasempa poso otrem asonson ho se nyame mbu ekwan ma wunya ba bi enkoya sonson ho eji wa adwene firi nsem mo keka no atentri ne ameke meka ye wuzo hu bebre oh yes tinyame ohumobo. Number 3, God is not proud of the church as he used to be. Verse 9 to 11. Jeremiah the same 7 verse 9 to 11. Will you steal and murder, commit adultery and perjury, burn incense to Baal and follow other gods you have not known, and then come and stand before me in this house, which bear my name, and say, we are safe to do all these detestable things? Has this house, which bear my name, become a den of robber to you? But I have been watching, declare the Lord. What's where they were? Near Kosu was on Yankupon say, when you're proud to say, Wabakosu, I'm an Idinia Dasso. Nidina Dassono, and Yanni debut. A Busiafo ni Ghana for a Muslim Yankupon, a for Pentecost, I can see my money, my background. I saw Pentecost, the church of Pentecost, a dinner Dassono. Yenny Valley to so yes, Nana Troy. Also, for be some of you might not know him. A friend Kisiedu. Kisiedu, one Benimon, no, first children director. First children director. Minimum what he has here, and I was about retired or minimum retired. Or by us for the marvelous. And I obey narrative story how we got the name Church of Pentecost. Bra. Asori Apostolic Church ni kwemi enone ba kono Nkrumah President Nkrumah be mu no a wo ka ase makio ne na chidi fo mpedin foforo no omu de ayem paibo tim paibo no no to ko share sa brede koku ase ko share be bo mpa ne nyam kupon bue nani wo se Yesu atra pro kase bi ho ena abofo atwa ne ho hia na wo busa wo mo se nkofo ha masori ntrese no masori pedin to be afana gene medin be na mo hwa ye de mama sori a ebe boanti no Kristo no kremu Pentecost se na sori Yehowa na sori boni to me ntremo asori kron ne wo hallelujah Yehowa na sori boni to me ntremo asori kron ne wo asori kron. Asori kron. Yehowa na sorry. Boni to me tremwa. Asori kron. Hallelujah Yehowa na sorry. Boni to me tremuda. Asori kron. Yesu wa declare sen nkofo bi ha masori edi be ne ye de beto masori so pastor kesi edu nenya za ni zwade hunu wote ase amungo busa no se me ka jensem na edu ba bia me bo obidi woma vla sade no so kaya asem se me kaya asem on be kaya se papa no be preach o and narrative sa sorry sade afen ni appointing as a children director fin ni appointing fufura wa ba kra enti abofo no de omode omadwene ba we di din we ba odidin ba se enheda omunyina nyintum papa ti din ne be ba na ba ko ese ka Pentecost Church of Pentecost o ka Church of Pentecost no munyina hu se ya and you know, they all compromise in agreement. To munyina agitu mo no, and Jesus was according to Papa Nani so ade hu no bu ebu kakraka bi mu. And no now my church shall be called the Church of Pentecost. Me no mo ba be sua de. We Church of Pentecost song. Enyom ena omo ye apam covenant with the church. God first covenant with the church. Me read the akere mo. Mo ahoho na mabugu azoro go na munni mazoro no left from right bibie na mudi ache yoyo na me kira mo Pentecost na bakosem enti Yesu atwero din no now my church shall be called the Church of Pentecost ene na niti ye na sabra o yaketwa no de mere me koka o mbere no magi atum no se wura mpa bo foforo se wura de we yi akire me yaketwa minimo we me koka kra o mo nyintum nti yi kire won we migiri se wo pa na we yi kire won o ka je nyame enu nyam se wote ye no na mpanyifo so nya de na ye de announcement about say now the church is called the Church of Pentecost no de command no mo tworo ye na ye registered church. So Christ claimed the Church of Pentecost as his own. Said the offer Israel said the mine no sa no offer Church of Pentecost na sorry asori o de betiti nipa akosoro ahememu no timre bi apostle asiama o ma wu ko ni bi na o kasa na o kire se mre bo mko hia ba bi na o mo kire asori o mbuza question mbuza mbuza Pentecost mbuza ono se na Pentecost no enzoro bebre bu school ebu hospital ni ade ni ye hu mu se mo ramu yesa no papa na si ye Pentecost de ye nsu ye mu school ye mu hospital but ye titi ni pa kosoro ahemem ye sakade boyefo eba Kristo nche o mo bo mo se ma because we are comfortable to am said de kura Pentecost beba be Kenya mi asema kiro e de waba sabre Pentecost nkwa na ehiri baba sorry o ma kan nyina ye hu him ho indina ombuebu excuse ba ye de ne ye nkwade ye hu adwuma de asema apostle siama no de ma wo mo no edinyankopon se asore na ben din ekura ni edin da no so no se wonya proud bio de ekoso na ni nye ho de ekoso nso na ni nye ho na no me hwe obi tesi ade be na me ko hwe apostle kumila be eko bu asore da bia no brekumo ba bi o kasa pa e wo YouTube na azambi se na no okeka kire wo mamumfa enoma e me sha asore no mo de be sha asore no kire kire nyame no nyame pu efiri mo asore no makọ oh yes samu emayi wo ho hwedressing a ema de sum nyame o Pentecost mu papa ne kasa apostle kumira be general secretary na no ya na obi de man ko hwe wo YouTube okobrekum ne ko bu asore da no apostle ekemia area okasa kire won ukọ YouTube abahu message no ho wasisa mu koso ye de mu ye ya nyakopon ani munyam se de nyakopon ani munyam free asore dan mu ko ye no asore dan na Solomon obo mpa ye manyam enu nyam be hyemu a na asofo okọ ndimi nwura no edu ba bi no eno mu di dwa wo ade ntane nyam enu nyam na ko tena papa no nzuge ni mu bo Pentecost fo amane ye se mo ma ye to aso ye de mu ye ya nyam enu nyam be free asore no Anishira ndi nyakopon se wo hwe na ni nye asore na ekura ni din no he is no longer proud of the church. He is no longer proud of the church. Say utimi ede hwahwa ne ho ontimi bio. Ko number 1 atrosem wasore num. Number 2 atentrene enim. Asemo ba ye hwe we hwan nia, we hwan ba, we san no manoma no. Ede na etim maka bebre nipa na make asem we. Akokodro ne nipa nya mfa nko like o Facebook ana YouTube. Ba ombeje di pass as akoyi wakasem. Oh yes. Ebeye won the pa. Cause omo bre ensem ha manfo. Sem ha manfo. na na da ba ko frɛ me ne ba ko Pentecost school why Adam muya on yiska or ye juma suddenly free tuatai na ne ba ko Pentecost high school sabre wakaka ne ka sai na asori etima Nyankopɔn kekreka yanim ene na da o ye no apam ne ba free school mu akɔt na fie de ene yakwase na duru time ye twere exams ene ya ni nyina echi woko ya fa ne so nkodi sofo na nka ono susu nya bi fa hwa ne ma okoya akodu national wa nko university ndi asasan no osi ye ne ya go ja soro no o ja no wakoye onko presby ana onko central gospel church so sa betrem no nwinwi ti amanfo ti asoro no mo ze atentini ni asoro no eno me ekoso ne nye bet onko ka kire wan na onko ka kire no nyame ehu nyame manfo mobo. Number 4, I've been sent to draw your attention. The adwuma me yi adwuma kesi amako ho ache mese menye oso beye mese menye oso beye and now yanko verse 12 to 29 hana afutuo ni nyina wo. Go now to the place in Shiloh where I first made a dwelling for my name. Pentecost asoro na oni Nyankopɔn na ade ne dey to so no me ma mane mo nkasa ne se me ma oso beko wana ne me aboa ba meni asumye me da mane nti me da de wo me na chepa ansa na meni akata sisi ane meni ate meni ti ya na no adwene na aba tambia meni beti ya ne ti ya Pentecost asem no fako wasuma obeka sa ngo nti Pentecost a Christopher amosom Nyankopɔn fa Pentecost asoro kesiem ahanu wa yuzu ze Yuda fo a mosom Nyankopɔn fa opon kesiem Yuda pon kesiem but anya Yuda bio Christopher a mosom Nyankopɔn fa Pentecost asoro kesiem ena ne Nyankopɔn asoma me wo mo nchen menim se som of you no mo mpekora mo bubofu be ha mo ebi no be nwaje so be frem ehunu am forget about that medical one wan hwe ana o mo makọ cassette ya na ni abre adwuma me ye no me bonyo so but me ni ahoto ma me nya na me nko o frem ya yeni nkomo foforo enya me nyame asema nyame de ama me se me famre wo na wo ba be ka kire me se senka mechanic ana se senka mechanic unim nyansa nim nyame asem che wo konkora wa pa me de me ye adwuma no. Go now to the place in Shiloh where I first made a dwelling for my name and see what I did to it because of the wickedness of my people Israel. While you are doing all these things, declare the Lord, I spoke to you again and again, but you did not listen. I called you, but you did not answer. Enti Nyankopɔn na makwa horo so enemo akasa. Kwan horo bebre so enemo kasa. Asofo ne ade apuapue no omne mo kasa. Na no yete za odifo baako ani abre a wo kasa. Matese asi ya mama pom na fra so no se mo pam no kora wakasa wie. Enti Nyankopɔn nam kwa horo bebre sometimes ya na hash. Na no so odifo baako bi on so kasa shame on you all do these people. Nyankopɔn nam nipa horo so no ne mo kasa but moye madwene se wo mo kasa tia mo so you are not taking the message. And was we the me fa twere konkon sinsem no so enya ni so ade hunu twere konkon ensi so Pentecost na Nyankopɔn fa ne se na sori medical kire mo se di Pentecost no kwa nya nipa ono Nyankopɔn na de ma wo se pastor kisi edu ti ase a kamoko ne nchen ko gi sa information am ka kire mo ndi what try be breye was it therefore what I did to Shiloh I will now do the house that bear my name, the temple you trust in, the place I gave to you and your ancestors. I will trust you from my presence, just as I did all your fellow Israelites, the people of Ephraim. And so be to say President Methodist, and maybe a German said net you, Makachina Moda. So here Muhima, and you say net yet. Menyi ni se na wo de so petepete mofra mo maso sa kwa so de yetime to honhom nnwom e ma nyame okunkun san. Do you think say no mo shi asie but e ko na wo firi nyame akwa ho no ne nyame eja wo won se Pentecost ma asie e bo so mi pool say ba First yes na ka Pentecost dia ye de ko nsuom se de Yesu ko nsuom no sa na ye de o say mo tutu ebura e wa zo de amoye ha eba enje bia be sa sa o nya hwe utim de pepete mo maso na mo ko manim o se de me ya mo kira we mu no sa na betumi aye mo nso se de ye Nyankopon di ji so be ya o kese mo ayeye o mo Nyankoso sa na ni ji sa o ba sa mo Nyankopon kasa na wontia afi no take action ene ya pa Pentecost aso de Nyankopon de ne ho tozo na kura utie nipa ne bi nsem a preachers ni ade na utum se eye won ya pa mkasa na no e da bi preach ya wode be kire wode bra mi a wha tie message ni ban press wha na preach was won no osre una preaching message o Pentecost platform was ho na benya platform bi o was sa na go for so ka kire no sa na go for ka jensenti asema wa kan se wode akoma man go for se nya me nko a na wuti Pentecost na o ma sa message u benya platform bi o na fa no people are not comfortable with the state of the church. As of home, every year and huntia, you benya small they are not comfortable with the state of the church of Pentecost. Oh yes, a huntia. Verse 16. So do not pray for these people, nor offer any plea or petition for them. Do not plead with me, for I will not listen to you. Hey, Sabon Payama sorry na mean you. Sabon Payama sorry, me free Pentecost me kwa apostolic church. Me kwa na national head, baby am kwa apostolic church, na hone wo national headquarters. The hona national head no hu me na ofre me. No, yes ya me mra no ni me nkum ba na obusa baby na me kwa sorry because wo hwe no e ka se wo hu se na me adom ne wo frɛ bi wo me so. Ti wo frame na make asana me narrative sorry no area no so okay e good se maba be maba no adwuma nya me pese de me ye no beto aso de maye hwa ba ya me mompa ma Pentecost fo ti papa no wa advice me say ya me nkoso nkai Pentecost fo mpa ibo na me so you ti akenkasem was so do not pray for these people nor offer any plea or petition for them. Do not plead with me, for I will not listen to you. Ubon paye ma Pentecost asore awo eno nko de minti. Ba na minima kinkasem we sasem we no nka bi sa ba na minimu ayo ntimi sumi sha tese me bon paye ama asore no. Bon paye ma asore no na the one day na me mada na me so die. Me so die na se metidua bi so na me de me sesum ma bodu se na me dwedwene se nti asore ya ma firi mu. Se me train mu a enti nka me ntumi mo ama enye ya na. Ti me question no. Se me ko so train mu a adwuma kase a me yi. Ti ka me ntumi mfa mo ama soro no enye ya na. Me kan sa na obi bo mo mabachi no betra me nkan ni fancy. Eye dua bi so na mete. Ti me obo mabachi me twa me na ye papa panyi bi o hye hwa you know betra. Obetra me nse ni for o se da bi ntumi. Adenzo mpie ma no madwini mu na me kan no no kan se da bi ntumi na me se dia na me ntumi. O se asem na odwini se si ase nka wo tra Pentecost ma ka betuma bo ano. Ntumi. Ana me se ada na me ntumi. O die o hwa ada na me ntumi. O se gina na be kire wade. Ena o se hwade o be kire wade na o fa nsuo 34 Ghana bucket 34 no 34 bucket no o fa ba ko no bu nsuo ma de gum. O se hwade o be kire wade na me so me hwa no o da enum. Ena wo fa communion cup no de ko communion me ne Jesus betu za ketwa na obi afa ba ko no no o fa sa jog ketwa no ena o hwie DDT white bi e ma no de gum no de gu ensuo 34 bucket no o de gu ma na franzio no e gum fufuro me se hoye white ba anje bia na ayira wo ensuo no DDT kete ensuo bebre no buza me question say si e ka se nsuo no bi no ma obetuma se bia no ma na me se da bi ana no buzam za da na me se no DDT no se afra ko ba bia enye no so okay DDT na kete ena odigum ye ka se yi free ma obetuma yi ana me se da bi o se sada the start of the church ebuzasema me no okay ba 2 years asem ni last week ya da bi free me free Ghana Kumasi ana wona me kasa wono so kan ne story say Nyankopon aka kire ne sa so na say afiri soro nti onye bi obi tumaye obi bi obaya wonye won local na sara asoro problem na wa asoro no afiri soro enye ba akufo obi structure na wo ho no enye dia ba akufo obi tumaye ni last week ya na eda bi from akasa asim wi akire me de krasi bi nya ndi so ari hunu wa ha ama wo kan wo ka kire me wo record ko akoto wo sa wo twero ko ma afoma agema ere kire no se de na wanya hunu so ari hunu se de ekoso die de asema me ka ya bi o ma fa anya kire brother bi wo Michigan no so nya ni se de se mani so ari hunu no o ka kire me se na ma me bi so di Kenya wo de ato wo sam sabe na wo phone sam forward man no che busia ne adofo Nyankopon se baby ade ne kono wo ye odi mama pa ebo mo nkura enye timi de ka me ye odi mama pa ebo mo ba wo se enye ade ntia wa fa kwan horo bebre so ni mo kasa obi ni mo kasa na mo bo afu no na mo fa ne se o mu ade obi Nyankopon besuma ndi abani mo abekasa bia mo fa se o mu ade woni mo kasa won kasa ye na mo bo afu no munya no kura no mapam na fira soro ndi ama Nyankopon so no o jam life amamo ntina yese mo ye de mo pe no ntina yese obi ye de pe na nkakane no o hwese de Pentecost dwumadie na ahwe ne de ya eni obi o grievance is woni pa koma so edoso nipa bebre obi obenye no bia wo ka bi ntina yese maka kire won se we Pentecost ni so ye da so ye hwan wo fra mi a ye ni komo foforo mfa so na se mo mre me esa me mpe ne sa eno sa se mo se me hwan go fo yin pa se maka ne sa public di o na kura mfra mi bi mfa me ho o mfra mi bi mfa me ho o fra na ebedi komo wa mfra me no ni asem de pesa me kire ne se me nkwa so ne bi o enti o fra mi a mama ye ni Pentecost won komo sa na me ma se mo kire grievances no doso but eno mo nsu na mote de obeye se obobon pae na nyame abo Nyankopon moa na ma ye nyina nya sa wontumi firim obi firi Holland aba abehia me trainer se Nyankopon se yantia so me se da bi ye bete ko be ma Pentecost ye tia so no 3 weeks time akwa ne se nyame se yemfedi nto so me se me nya ready ye gu no ye won confirm ye members so me da so trainer do a obi a opage nyame tuma ma hwe mo number mo afre won ye ko 3 weeks ye gu no the one pray my enfam Pentecost there because Pentecost jaye no enye Nyankopon basa udumi yae but amanfo wo ma wo mu nwinwia wo mu di yawo enzo obi ani bibi obeka grievances church practices must be maintained. Keep the clean dressing given by the founders of the church. Verse 21 to 24. And I can gather a memory into my castle to wow with me at us. Was this a vampire mama? Won't you? Do you see what they are doing in the town of Judah and in Jerusalem? To the echoes was for them, and a man for from here. No person on course of enemy cake and once a month. I'm not interested in those in the interview. Too much. Because the other question I mentioned Mumputupa. And the person should be Mputupa. Also, your penny, Bompire, Nenama country, Nahundi obey. Verse 20. Therefore, this is what the sovereign Lord says: my anger and my wrath will be poured out on this place, on man and beast, on the trees and the field, and on the crops and of the land. It will be burned and not be quenched. This is what the Lord Almighty, the God of Israel, says: go ahead, add your burnt offering to your other sacrifices, and eat the meat yourself. For when I brought your ancestors out of Egypt and spoke to them, I did not just give them command about burnt offering and sacrifice, but I gave them this command: obey me, and I will be your God, and you will be my people. Walk in obedience to all I command you, that it may go well with you. But they did not listen or pay attention. Instead, they followed the stubborn inclination of their evil heart. They went backward and not forward. Ewurade asem Ewurade Nyankopɔn na asem Akane ajidikanfo na wode wo mo hye asore na se no. Wo ma won the church doctrine, the church tenet, the church practices. Says it is only the tenet that have been kept, but the practices is going out. I don't want some no draw my attention. Some make them some bit here. Pentecost are sorry there, and she say ye beto ye yen tum say the nyanza cha wo mo do mo shasi and say we oba na obompire if you wa ofie kura ukata wotire so. Sana Pentecost asore no ye pomo hihye maaye na ye ni ho enti ye nkwaje o machi nse nyame de kan sa akire wo enti mba be kinka the covenant of the church of Pentecost to you on Pentecost la ine ba ha no ene ba ho no the church of Pentecost, the church of Pentecost covenant no ha adano yede osofo bi ba dance my apostle SK ofosu ono no fe dance my area here nipa obema na kwa ba na apostle Dr. Alfred Kodua I mean not support what's up for there no apostle Alfred Kodua ana be ma no akwaba obema na akwaba no na sama o kan ne say Apostle Kodua na memma apostle SK ofosu akwaba wadansoman da be na mo wa wo chi na mo wadansoman area de ko bi o preach no na nsem o kan ba ko a me ne ya adwene kase ba ko ne se ensem bi won ma enya biblical indine no ya nyi ho akinye bebre se ya ti asore wa America na obi kura na yire nsa ene na e ba asore na oba beduru ho na obeka kire papa ne se ja yire nsa na wo kwotena ha na oba no so nkotena ha no yenya bible quotation bia support entia no wo mo aba den no mo meko ntokwa bebre to wo chejem se no sanzem yenko ntokwa of which he is right but there ye de ma won na wo bible mu no de ye kipu anu ntina eza asofo na nkase mu ache maame bia ye no taba ye fi odo bi oba no wo kwan is assembly asori nu mache ye wo katatrisufu okuo ene ye wo yutrisufu okuo na yutrisufu okuo no aya hantan e kire katatrisufu okuo zo mu yekolo number 1 omumu ade omumu chairman de abase ye ntu yetiri nguso ade na mo de mo da so kata mutrisu nti aye wo e wo nsori nu enti wo bi nu aye o madwene se o mu bedi general secretary na yire chisanse general secretary na yire de o mu da so kata mutrisu ene bi susu ene be di chairman susu na yire tu yetiri guso Nyankopon asore abone ntumi nkom na maduru sei mu papai with different belief, different practices enya sa na odema di empanyifo de bato ho no sa na yeto aso ye masisa no ye ma emesisa no enti Nyankopon asama wo ka no wo se oyi wo mu free wo no ibizim no o ma wo na sadie se wo mu ni so Nyankopon de asoro no ma maki one ne mpanyifo penzi no o ma wo mu covenant covenant no e kire se mu ni so e de nyame ase apostle ntumi be ya chairman no na o mu ko council meeting e na o mu ye we e de ba ye se o ba be kire ye nyesa nka ye nyina ye nim ti ma me nyina so na me ken kan kire o kakra was God first covenant and promise with the church of Pentecost revealed. So God first covenant and promise with the church of Pentecost revealed. Onyankopon ni abre na wakama betna ni din say amode say ne nkofo na oyi wo mo no ye bom kokko munyai na wose munyama kwa yi ka Jeremiah chapter 7 no obohu wo. The spiritual growth of the church of Pentecost and its spread throughout the world is a fulfillment of God's covenant made with the founders of the church at its beginning from 1931. Oma ono mo sha so ono mo nya apam. Say na mo nya made mame. Say na mo nso me e no do o ma ye no mo de ato no ma type. You don't have to change it. At the sixth extraordinary council meeting of the church held in Koforia in April 1999, the General Council decided that the church members be taught this covenant below for them to know God's fulfillment of His side of the covenant and what they must do to fulfill their responsibility in God's plan for the church. God's part. It is not because of how few or many you are in membership, but according to my divine and eternal purpose and goodwill for my church. Was in any padono and once in the hiano. So, Edmaya or the Ashi and Sayedi, Mount Zion, and I know the Pentecost, you know the running call for. I will go back to the Old Testament, Yakupon call for Monozu. Brian Yakupon Pam Edi, Adam Edi, Nairi Fred in Trumo, no new behavior. Because some more Ebe. And I Ebe or training near Osum Yakupon, and I came Kunu 3 years. Ye know ni pebi a osum nyame bia bi okosi se Enoch e bae tie Enoch so na be sum Nyankopon ni Nyankopon na tie no so Nyankopon ani ti wiase na da kakra nipa na wo wiase ni nyane Nyankopon nipa wo wi mu aye ba ko pe no na Enoch no na ire na makoro nka ho no be fa wo ko be fa no ko ye wo fa no ko ye nya otini ni bia bi a osum nyame bia wa nipa ko so obu nyina ya de boyefo akosi se onya Noah emre ntimi nya kwa mfa nkwase mo ni onya Noah no na Noah bre so no onya nipa nwotwe na de awere kokora to kai Bible na Noah chiri no wo ma kwa adaka no mo mani ehuru de asie no wo mu pue ba no ma mabu Nyankopon ba ye boni tie Nyankopon no wada agina kam do ko sa message the reason why ka ho bedwuru enti nipa ni nya no se wo pe nipa na gusum mu abahan mu no enafo enti ye mpe ne bebre de ya ministry ya soro no maka kire wo wo ba yire wo oboda wuro. But enforce who don't kill yourself, don't kill anybody. Brasori, there be. Can some children over fine. Why, it doesn't matter how many we are. They make a community for 5 Guamucom. It's not about the people, about the word of God. Handle the word of God correctly. I don't hear. So we have not entered into the competition. Mount Zion teachings and prayer ministry have never entered into the competition. We are a divine church that was established by God to locate His people. And you know, the Pentecost no about fire unexpectedly. Ono a create upo obi abo obiano. Ghana de nyama mbo no obi no se woko. Eti Nyankopon e part ne se ono no wa yi asore no. Emfa ho say enipa no how many people you are and then no the yet tin say you say enipa no bebe no person mo ba asore no enti anya ne sa na wo mra na say so mo yes na so na ye kakraka na enipa na bebere e na mo jinchia ba Nyankopon de na nkanye bebere sa Yesu betre wiase fie miensa oboda wuro nipa du ba ko no nya ayo won kan no kwasem kwajo no mo dwane asen we de o mo say asen we de ano de re ntimi ntie and what can say what the hanya be wiase enipa da so ado sum sin han isan say nipa nyuma eye bone osma for po copy efiso won kan ko asa jom so mo dia say nipa du mienu no do nko ta obi asafo te busuani adofo nyame sum no aye de ko so ahemam no enye ye do so asem o ye di nyame asem ye adwuma ye ne di nyame asem ye adwuma pepepe e na hia Nyankopon entitie covenant no to di ka say nya ni parodo e na hia Nyankopon na emom se be ya obi nyankofo a odi ne din beto won so be 19 nipim e mom covenant. Number 1, that He God will raise a nation out of Africa that will be a spearhead and light to the world, heralding the second coming of Jesus Christ our Lord. Etina wa Nyankopon ka so be yi o man bi e wa Africa na wode asomo na anka Israel fo na Obama wo reject no woja Israel ma to Oba be fa Ghana man na wode asoro na Africa Ghana man akowi ase nyina e po Nyankopon fa ye no ye do aso. That that the Gold Coast had been chosen to fulfill this eternal will and purpose of God in the Ghana and the Yankopon power. Ghana, men we my Ghana and the Yankopon a fast or the Bayanadi. Number 3, he, God, will accomplish it through a white missionary from Europe who will come to lead the group in future. And the group which through many trials, tribulation, temptation, and persecution will be nurtured, protected, and grow up spiritually, numerically, will become a great international Pentecostal church, which will send out missionaries from the country, the Gold Coast, to all parts of Africa and the world as a whole. Na Nyankopon ka se wonam asoro no so de asoro no betra fa wiase afana nyina, but not in dubious way. When Nyankopon ka kire Rebecca se nkwara mienu na wo yefrum ketwa no obeye kase ache kase no epanyin no ketwa be kase ache epanyin no o ma bedru wiase papa so be hia pani ma mesi Nyankopon ka se ketwa be kase enti no ofa akwati kwan sa akwati kwan no ofa so mu akwara no be ye de Nyankopon atworo no ha akwara no bebre Jacob be wiase da ya fa babu na ka Genesis no da Joseph de ne ko kira Pharaoh ana Pharaoh o hia se wo hira Pharaoh na Pharaoh he do the papa what the vie say papa what the vie say was papa e vie ra ka de vie de kamanya bebre ba o ha de aduasa de akiri but sa o ha de aduasa de akiri na ye karo emu o ha nko a ba ko Wadwani afini maame enje wanhunu maame ne papa bi onwane oba no mawu ko wokwa ya wokosom ya akwaya akwa enfiedu na anza no onya oba ope adane bonini ada wawu ne ba odo no wayera a whole lot enti se Nyankopon kas enje wo ba yemfa kwati kwaso na achieve boshe no da bi wankata mere bi dura mo fa so odene mu ye kwanto o mani pamre kwaso no bebre kamon koso keep asem no said ye wode ma no said mo bato ye no ono an wanim kwanfa so odi nipa no bewuram enye ze mo miemue kwa no do na maba wa no ntim begum o begum mu na Nyankopon so bu afuyi e maba ndo eze o begum pa eze sika na do Tyson so wom Nyankopon so na ne bofu a wokoi enti de eno na mo pe enti na wa hye se wode ba ko wi asa fa na nyina in his own way enye ze mo ma ye nkan kire ze mo ntungu so enya so ni ntie Nyankopon Zebi a me ka kire wo me da so mo ne me din komo maba wa no me se mo wa mo wo mu no muni Apostle Kumila bi ne yire chi general secretary yire on so duku no afekwa no boni odi sine mo maso ya e de be sine onya ba bia nto ho onya akwara wasore no o papa ye da a ya wo na to asore no wanyini obeto ye na obeto sia we be se kwara wo we bi ebi kwa mpa wo bi okinka obeka je se chairman asi entu on so ti maba wa no metumofo muni naji na mun kata motire so sa na hihye me ba beka ho nyina agire ni nyina wo mo be kinka agire mo muni bi mu sampan fo benya bia ma bi kwa pa no ma ye foforo ma yi o yafrim me dem da sukura bi me ni Pentecost mba me kura bi me toye me ana me toye me dia. Number 4, that it will make disciples for the coming Christ, while he will call out men according to his own choice from time to time. And first, na so for no, nanya Bible school asemu kura, nanya college asemu. Dabi, it is abra na so for no musoro nyame. Na womo hweso ye nyame dwuma. Nanya sika asem ne kwan ya se fa so yi. Mubakaya, some of you now muba so mu jebebre monte. So for ba ko ye fa na ninkura, yidi e ninkura ya asomafo. Sabra Apostle former chairman opoku nyina eye dressing pastor Okumase no yidi ani gwa na regional head where the whole Ashanti regional apostle Sabra na Apostle opoku nyina no ye dressing pastor Okumase and Apostle ekemi awo barekese Sabra mze na prophet ameni ampon no mamponti ana tefo baby mze no mamponti na yidi ani nkura na ye regional apostle Kumasi ni etie na homa so ebe ya ne dressing pastor adai yes wakoto asase wo kosi dan no waba mufio e da se bi tworo letter e ko ma ha kwete it is Pentecost of the na nya de mu hu na na mo da buni mo we ti no mo di agire na ya dobo na mo ko de sa no obi ka na mo di na tem sa ho yi di ani nkra obi anim sori we bi abeka kire ye ti na ho apostle na te ne safo bebusa na em se ye na yi wanya abotre e na okoyi ano an we ti wato asase obesi dan so ampa ye yi no free apostle no fi no so de boni a wadi ni e na obi na no ba ko bi a wu ye ne ba me da so wo mfo no so ne be di adan se ne papa o dan kono o ta nyina wo nti mu fi se nyankopon akoma be ko so atoni be bia mo di aso no kono hotel nyina wo sofo wo bia ko to asase se wo kosi dan ye yi ne ko la se ma nya post ba de do ko to asase akotwa block e kosi dan e wo kuma se asofo mpanyifo ni ma so ameke mo na ma fon de mu ni mo he mu de mo ba ya na double na ba na mo double ko o mu ni yi di ani nkura apostle ba ye kurom ba apampa ha be preach ye timi ni mo no na nke nyankopon na no se from time to time be friend ni pa be ye adwuma etam ka jem se na madwen first asofo de na nye pozu na ye calling o ma ko school akwa no from ma no mu dwane isan se na nye dresa ene uko na ya mfro kwa na wo mu ni abre no mbo afu no ente sa nyankopon no bo hye no dia apam no dia sa apam na ye adwuma sese mu amu wa so no mu betima ka no kore di no kore no is this covenant still working in the church mu jiri sa so fo na ye frɛ won no nyankopon na frɛ won na na say omu ye yi na me hyiram ntina wo so be frɛ nipa from time to time se nipa na wo frɛ won no won frɛ won mu fo mu nya so Pentecost of mu ne wo frɛ won free Pentecost mu ebi na me de ti ha yi me pese ka me tra sori no ma sum nya me ko wuo na ono so frɛ me atwe me den afiri mu ago me nya ready se me di asori no wa create bi da kona go di anim enti se nipa na na ko frɛ won mu asori no wo frɛ won mu yi mu frɛ asori no ko nchen ko te foforo eno na ya na mu kura no sa ko create sori nka wo ko pe we anya eno we jai enka wo ko pe we anya no anya ne bu ofu mu wo sa de no mo jai babo am mo nya ada mu bu no ba bi am spend eternity. Number 5, that God will ensure that no weapon that is formed against the church prosper, and every tongue that rises against it in judgment shall be condemned. For this is the heritage of the servant of the Lord, and their righteousness is of him, said the Lord. Indeed, akudie bi aboboti asore na nyina asofo na edi campaign fo na di o madanse ya kira wo ye de enyeye koti asore ba bi na ye ntokwa na manfo bopo na ebi enya dwuma tra na etre nte nyankopon ne party ni na o ye na je so be fulfill. Number 6, that God will meet the church financial problem in season and out of season for all other churches to acknowledge that his divine presence, blessing and glory are with the church. And the sorry way in your story, you about for the Anke envelope. I come up your own question with the about for the boy and Abby. On one be shirasa for mana masikana free waba. The Sikana bar, Mudi Sorano, Namudi Arania Sorano, Ama Sorano, and Asafuman in any aje, Asumunyame. One can say, Inipa Bakuna Munibi, ever for Quetico to the Shumbotu. It was a bassa, Emma and Sorana can in a who say, Yankupo and Nimpa, Ned Tom, Nin Shira, Ewa Soranoso, and I'm catching a sabre and a cocoa school. That we be Caribbean Maca, when I see so ye Christian. When I see so ye Pentecost ni, when I see so ye Christian ni, one of the questions but one also na assistance and independent in so ye Pentecost. We are different people, we are different person. We are hotini preocupe. We are Pentecost in the hotini preocupe. And we be a more cry. And I'm catch you say, one go Pentecost catch and go back to the house on bosom. And I go create a ministry. Bra, baby, I'm hotini baby a Pentecost. What's it a member go Pentecost? Go back to the view, one was the crowd. About the saying. The covenant is broken. Number 7, that he will pour abundant spiritual gift on both men and women, enti adoma chede nyankopon na de mani pe na maame Grace munya bia no de mpai bo no na ye nton adoma chede na ye ngira adoma chede kasa foforo ne ye kasa baba la adalo to bika o ti le de to zira ye kire na ye ngira tons ye ngira adoma chede ni ye ngira he na emom na ye onu nyankopon no ane pem na no hwi adoma chede eno ne me dia me ye kire fui indinanka o yo kire fo ko anka nye ntokwa na asoro na recognize ti me ko Oklahoma na omo ye program ma me preach one day me preach ya eda ba ko on ti ase kura sai asoro ye ni office of teacher because when you put me kanya me ansan when you ni enfe ne brother na no ye nudu enti oba fan out obi su ka kire me say ampana ba wo ko area presbytery meeting o dala emo ko busa sa question na sa de intra asoro we ye ni office of teachers adoma chede enti kan asoro ne ti ase a aka me yo kire fo munya head ne de ke sansam sam nyina aso atofo sam nyina to na me kire na yo we o cheche fo asa atofudie enya atofudie jese bia won ko tra me shi aso ngoje office banka wo ye nya medwuma ni bi cause Kristo aye obi osomafo waye obi odifo waye obi osempakafo no waye obi osofo ohefo no waye obi so ocherekirefo ena akokoro ntofo nguma no kwa wasisa ye di fresuro ba asomafo ne dikai na ba difo na ba cherekirefo ntinka me kwa nka me ni paketo asa se ko muti ase na metena wa se bi ocherekirefo wasoro ma nka ne kwa nka problem bi eni kasara nka be dira manyakopo so betimi atwema afirim ba na e ko fa bi so nte ko ba sa nti adoma chede nyankopon na digu asoro no. Verse 8, number 8, that God will from time to time prune and purge his church, all parasite, pest, personality cult, false doctrine, social and religious evil from the church, to make her holy and radiant, to portray his divine presence, radiant glory in its spiritual and physical performances in order to avoid both spiritual decline and apostasy or why ntina also from time to time so obi din church boni bi ba entema na oso ano ene de obi din church boni ba itim bedu me matimi hu ye se obi osofu panyin bi atworo book afa dukubo ho se enya biblika e wo Pentecost asori mu na mo mre minya hu bi se no kora dia apostasy atima wure mu owaye de ni agidi afa ye nyi ni bio na efe no owaye how many of them feel it no mo gidi say o sorry o mo waye no when they suffered apostasy no mo say o sorry bi ni obio enti ade akane na wo maame kata ni tiri so na wo yire kata ni tiri so na wo nua ba kata da fe de watuma trasi atworo ngoma say enti say bio wa waye da na wonim eye wo waye eno ne fe na nyankopon se sa aforo nyina obepa ho ntuma ba se na se ono ankasa twe no ti oyini nipa efiri mu anam asa twatrato se okope we anya enti na wajaye no ontumuntu mo fu note watchero note wa these aspects of the covenant were confirmed in 1940 during the Easter Convention at Winneba and reconfirmed in 1948 at the General Convention at Koforidua. No matintima go ho. Young quiet, the church part, also part. Number one, that the church will know and understand his way and obey his voice and commandment, and that the church will keep itself holy, blameless, and pure. Into one nyankopon be make sure say they were kind in not be adwuma. But so mo party ni. Monti ase na momfa ne kwan so momfa kwan na beba no so eya no bi aka na we kura wa ise na jasma ya no kura wa he trouser no one day onya osofo na o yeso na we kura da bi wo se wono de yemfa ne kwan so munya nkenken no to ono aye na dwe so obesi asoro no momfa ne kwan so mamunhua obi de ase mo kan no mon keep asoro no holy, blameless, and pure. Ina me kan kakane we Pentecost do hu ofere Pentecost elder any will be assembly so for goshia ye bu Pentecost elder na cha so for one. Oh yes, and now you so for kra wa mo ko la kro bi enfa hu no buko aboko ra no kora mfa ho pa apostle baako acha apostle JB acha and o preaching was no otu kwan na airport obokola kama na migration ni buza za oyosofo immigration ni buza za oyosofo ara no se papa no so kasa bro ne kasa o se abi eti mi minimum ba we buza za oyosofo ara o se papa ba buza za zede abi esi eton abi zede ya tobi ati tobi dia ko dro no eze ka Pentecost ube pie baby eni petwa opuse enani o sa bio anameboa. Do you receive the recognition sometimes ago na yenya na eni obio. Number 2, that the church is not to laugh and learn the things of the world, nor its way, for his way are different from the way of the world. Therefore, it should not imitate worldly or any form of religious sect, organization, or churches, for he has chosen the church to be righteous, faithful, humble, and obedient. It should be a different model and a peculiar people to show forth his divine virtue to angels. Sorry, was in Kayen sorry. The year Amukofa Duku ni trust and I didn't have a say charismatic churches never join Pentecostals and Madame Wabo. Some more covenant will be among fine among Kaibu. Na Yankopon Rese or Betty the Masaba Baka. Yes, a baby amokon ehu. Tisekaya on nam beposo a wate praka will stand and the break I say. Ehu. The more covenant will be among Fabio. Na Moonskin Kaibu. Na baby a mode a sorry man I could ginano. Pentecost Madia Makujinan, I will hopa. Sorry. In the Central Gospel Church, ma ayi womo for gusu apompom no fo no ma shi kaka mo were o ma shi mo ni achi atoto mo were na o ma shi ma no a ye Pentecost den ganya sa na boy brada bi yen forso ni pa bet yen kata nya hwe so ya sorry I starting manza no teachings na me about the covering of the head o mo ti ase no fa bo obi an kanje obi azo nka o ma obi a umba ho younger kora wakata ni so adinta sa na Bible no kire o Bible enya asema mpanyifo kan keke but sa wo Bible sisu dua ti papa na wo twere book no minim Bible quotation a wo fa ya o timi de twere ya wonya nkofo nso ma mataka ya agi atum na me hu momo enti man yen sorry ta sorry bi eya na de say ya no problem, that is Pentecost there, peculiar church, different church. And that Pentecost ni sorry bi e pe da bi ese se tambia we Pentecost ye hu say we Nyankopon asafo na me njira abofo nti munti mo different model. Number 3 no munkai obio ma me kai bio. Number 2 no, that the church is not to laugh and learn the things of the world, nor its way, for his way are different from the ways of the world. Therefore, it should not imitate. Momo Jesu will be. Sapa sorry ma every to mutegu so. Now some no ma join abu ma nchira say. Muntu diego so you don't have to imitate them. John say odofo me bon pa say mo hwe bone na munzua na mo hwe papa na munzua. Someone sorry be a team together not mo so mo ma ahihye trust akekoma no ahihye mo were ne ade nkyere say mo nka je ye ma so say na no me call word o baby na osofu ma me da be see osofu ma me do na me say han me say why dey do osre was ye osofu ma me do na me say na say be see ye no woda fo jujuju be e shime Pentecost of Mammy, was it home? Na me hwene mo were so. Na me hwene no. Say we dey hu ne pamobo. Pentecost Mammy. Pentecost of Mammy. Na ye woni ye wadanfo bia no ye mo airport. Okwadwuma ma life nti onu nko na owia no keka ne mo were so. No de ahye mokum no de aba so. Ti epon na egofia no yi akire ra yesre de etu no. Onu kwa no yesie. And the Pentecost Mammy as of Mammy ti aso them free to make a can mo were ahye artificial one be kura ka ho no dey Pentecost so me this of Mammy ehu pa adintra wo hu say Joyce Meyer ayo osofo wakeka ne mwere wato na no ohe trouser into no so makosua o enka covenant ne se mamu nkosua ba se makosua de ntra mani abre mekeka we mako obi fra soro no ma na maketi soro ato nso se Nyankopon ani abre wankofo obi a se kopo amane amahunu kopo mama juma ya ashasi ya msemeje ero pressure de to mani nyina ya ko mitumi na mekeka na meko. Number 3. Okay, imitate widely or any form of religious sect, organization or churches, for he has chosen the church to be holy, righteous, faithful, humble, obedient. It should be a different model and a peculiar people to show forth his divine virtue to angels. Number 3, that the church should not be covetous, money-minded, selfish, proud, arrogant, and stubborn in its way. Number 4, that in order to have a pure disciplined, holy church, we can stand the test of time. Holiness should become it what were throughout its entire life. That the church should not owe any man, borrow or seek financial aid, loan or grant from anywhere, as God is its eternal riches, treasury, and that he is able to sustain the church in all its needs. 6, that the gift that will be given by God must be controlled so that Satan will not use them to his advantage. 7, that the church should remember not to harbor sin, evil deeds, and evil people among its membership, but rebuke, discipline, and restore backsliders in the spirit of love, compassion, and patience. For if the church will hearken to his voice and obey his precept, it will be blessed among its peers. Mbonse Pentecost is a different church. They say why enter into competition just to get more people. Say the Jacob fakweti kwanso. Ekonya ni nhira no. Ewum say Nyankopon ka say betra ko wi asefo na ba kwan mo fa so no. Nyankopon bonyo so maha no pa. How the church will fulfill the obligation in the covenant. Kwan asoro no be fa so a asem o matie o betumi adi so. Sanso mu ye nipa. Number 1, every first Wednesday of the month was set aside as missionary day for prayer and offering for expansion of missions work. Number 2, every first Tuesday of the month was set aside for women ministry meeting to pray for the expansion and growth of the church, spiritually, financially, and numerically. The slogan, Holiness unto the Lord, emanated from this effort to fulfill terms of the covenant. 3, calling and election to officers were subject to confirmation through divine intervention and general consensus of the people. 4, in preaching and teaching, Christ was presented as Savior, and emphasis was placed on salvation through Christ and the new birth. And 5, the Foursquare Gospel, he came to save me, he came to heal me, he came to fill me with his spirit, and he will come back and take me with him to reign forever, was the message. Emerenti mamifa wonsi ha. Obi a fana hemu bio. De wo no so ni ho abi na yi afiri mu a o ma ya maboro. Nti wonim de ekoso. Nti wo no okunto kwa wasoro no okono kwa. Ye no ye kasa free from where we are coming from. De enim. Da bia ye hunu, de bia free ni bia ye duru. Ene de ye hunu, ene de ye tie, ni egina so kasa. Nti de ade we sa covenant na esa asoro no esuesu ansoro eye de ansoro ye no. Approval ko no Nyankopon ama sesei oyi nipa enipa na nka wo fra won do be ya sore wo Pentecost mu no oyi won no do makoy asofo akoti asore foforo eno na ya na mo so mo didi ato se okope we asore no ye mpre ene ye di eche nyame hira. Now see, God planned to give leaders were rejected. Jeremiah chapter 7 25 to 29. Nyankopon prane said them case from time to time and I say ono abema mpanyifo no e wo Bible no mu amenka 25 to 29. From the time your ancestors, I'm reading from Jeremiah 7:25 to 29. From the time your ancestors left Egypt until now, day after day, again and again, I sent you my servant, the prophet. But they did not listen to me or pay attention. They were stiff-necked and did more evil than their ancestors. When you tell them all this, they will not listen to you. When you call to them, they will not answer. Therefore, say to them, this is the nation that has not obeyed the Lord its God or responded to correction. Truth has perished. It has vanished from their lip. Cut off their head and throw it away. Take up a lament on a barren hire, for the Lord has rejected and abandoned this generation that is under his wrath. Wa wonte bro for Quran kinka utwi Bible no Jeremiah chapter 7 1 to 29. Na bo hu de ekoso Church of Pentecost. De ntre Nyankopon eyi ni pefrim ekosha asore foforo ase ya no ma create sorry atoso. Verse 25 no say nan go no ne butam say na me kinka covenant che from time to time no abema wona kandifo. In the Church of Pentecost no chairman ne Nyankopon na de ma. Bra makio obroni ni wie na djuma na wokọ no. Eye sorry e da asore ma ye te say asomafo mienu na omo prede were competing for the chairmanship. Obako ye friend staff obako ye friend Pensa. In the apero no course na Pensa no wuye on the course. Na be kan chairman staff no nza. Staff so di chairman no we na enye kura the first time kura so no wu. To wuye no na apostle DY who so be ye acting chairman to take care of the church. Since then Nyankopon bem they o kan ye no fulfilling promise no be mu na ono be yi Christ apostle wom prophet MK Yeboah ntim komishe ene bo ni din ene ne ba say ono na because I be no a prophet ye wasoma for wasorum na asoma for chair as of our prophet wasori mu no asoma for empany for chair as adifo better ba ni say Nyankopon agoyi no medical church mu amon page say ye were Christ apostles na ye were church apostles. Even though now apostles were there, but prophet MK Yeboah ni Nyankopon ko yi no and waka was from time to time from your ancestors day after day again I send you my servant the prophet. Nti wono Nyankopon no ye na dwene say the making ka covenant e kire from time to time what be mama kandifo mu ono be mama kandifo. Nti Nyankopon de bosh en commission ne ba no be yi prophet. We are another prophet Sabbath was and trust, even though none of Japan there, but was and trust, no twice to call you. We are near was smoke from Bayfu Bebre, was sorry. And then commission, and no damage, because he and Sally didn't Bible, and a prophet, I'm your young commission, Sabina apostle to me, a interpreter. And the Yankopon commission bore apostle to me. A yin is on no share. Young apostle just interpreter asuma for na e da bi wo ba jabal kose o ti Yakubu yi for yi na fi o so pemke na o Yakubu yi for yi na fi ho emke na no be sabe ne wo Anson ye wo Ata ye wo Acha ye wo Anan ye wo Addison ye wo wo asofo yi na no mu obi adi ni dikai it was Yakubu yi ni na fi ho and what after MK na MK Yeboah from MK Yeboah to MK into me. It is as a man ye king. I was your down Yankopon as a man making me who dream you. Me who dream me pan. Bibia what can be what course was no ewa. One what cast of mama can defo. And you are nobody petty number one, they say woman pretty mono. Prophet one or did in buy. Apostle MK to one or did in buy. Yet to confirm them when you want to swab. Now they are the prophet apostle to me na walk on and commission by a boss prophet back with him and me out. And I'm going to about say no credit monomony. Let me know say no credit Mokoto about no Muslim penal, other win the moon. Minim se no so ya tesem na enye papa ne bidia ba ye no kura muni. Enti aha no say no kura you have rejected God's choice. So the moment you reject God's choice, no, not just afraid that what I go for about your own, and then I go for as a way in Abba. It is a man rejecting Yankupon choice for the church. Yankupon Castle Muma can defone a man rejected ya, and you know, I could do baby modern. It is a no man rejecting Yankupon choice, no. They say no man make Mamma can devote you. None of yams Apostle Pokunya, Umuyi Yamichi, Apostle Yamiche. Mimi no no ba no Martin din won say wuti obi wan asem na ye asem papa wani ji drama mani age no me sister kan ho asem a kire no why the sofo dan na mani age no ntime no me na da bi kasa long time no kasa o Apostle Pokunya wi a osomafo we ne be ye che na so no I strongly believe say ebia na nyameche ntie ba sa no me ka che was who kan no so was who ye na wo am say a me hwa de ntime fi say enka omo a wo no de o ye better choice na ye da bi han and our friend no catch him say chairman no wo influence we nipa no so it is said here asma for no yi nipa mienu no na go expect say nka say chairman nominate nipa mienu na je say nipa mienu nyina ya wo na ade o maba na mo to so aba na go for ba ko dia say ba ko no your influence into obi abagina tum ana me o ka kire me na me call YouTube ko he the process in the course de me kwa na me hwa ade na Apostle Pokunya ekire mu say ono etu wonfo preach kire won bompa ye bibia wie no edem se da so da ho ana waka kire executive members nyina so obi antworo din mosusu ye nyame nkofo obi antworo din kwan na wo feel say wo pese oye chairman ena wo ma atworo din de din ba na ere nyame che din ya head ena mse wasa to aso bi onti no ene koyi ba this time round na kire say Nyankopon ankasa Nyankopon amam obia. Even though the man is good, obia dia na say we good, no honjo we kama robra no wan say unim nyame asem obuade obia nim say we among we good. But the fact is say Nyankopon ankasa Nyankopon amuyamo. It Nyankopon amuyamo no. Are you comfortable with that situation? Ko waka wa say nka na wona dwunim say mbre ne abere bia no obomu madifo bedi manim. Oba guide mo edimo fa ne kwam say wan kasa bio na mo ama fa mo method am pesu de yimo odikanfo a mo hwe ho na mo nkonya me anim bio enya sa na nkofo wasoro no from time to time no obekoso ayi won afrim obekoso ayi won afrim ono ankasa na osiu na sore na hair apon arrange faso emere nti okay, Jeremiah chapter 23, 1 to 8. I mean quickly, men can car on your head. The also what the camera. Jeremiah chapter 23, 1 to 8. Woe to the shepherd who are destroying and scattering the sheep of my pasture, declared the Lord. Therefore, this is what the Lord, the God of Israel, says to the shepherd who turned my people. Because you have scattered my flock and driven them away and have not bestowed care on them, I will bestow punishment on you for the evil you have done. Yeah, it is a situation be air cost war, sorry, no money as of war. Muti ya muntu mubuasi na onyankopon wonim de oyo. Onyankopon de asore hye won sa to buasi o don't enter into the competition that makes sure you are leading the church according to God's direction. I myself will gather the remnant of my flock out of all the country where I have driven them, and I will bring them back to their pastures where they will be fruitful and increase in number. I will place shepherds over them who will tend them, and they will no longer be afraid or terrified, nor will any be mixing, declare the Lord. And sorry now, mo create sorry to one. So mo mpanyifo no mislead mo at the more in time to competition. Ama na obi akotwero bugu say we oba wo pa. Say Nyankopon so no so pa. Also be yin call for the Bob and call for no. Ebina ye. We have not entered into competition, but we are gathering the people of God. Say 5 in Yebenyo, say 10 Yebenyo, say 15 Yebenyo, say 20 Yebenyo. I'm not entering into a competition. As someone was even more than one way and go for it. They will no more be or can't be a monitor. What could be a sort branch or Ghana. They don't know what can once and one. No, I bet Bob and call for one. And then Kakanka, say, Kitty. Say yes, you bunya many a fan and quant me dinner. They are entitled to competition now or no other building as well. Verse 5. The days are coming, declared the Lord, when I will raise up for David a righteous branch. A righteous what? Branch. When the righteous branch is raised up, Mom creative fabricated story to say, compare Heather, compare Osofu, compare Apostle, when you enter with Yakoti story. There be a bunch of Yakupa to a story no to say. Sir, Mudi are sorry no more. Nobody are sorry no few on Yakupo way. Echo for years away, no more yet them apart. One will be raising Nipa to establish branches of the church to follow his way. On time money winning Yakwa. Davida. It will create some ministry, no more crazy story. Or compare that you were not Wajay, or compare software when you're Wajay, or compare apostle when you're Wajay. Among for, and I switch to Pentecost, one compare software dear. Umko, I am for woman to tears or minimum of why I do not make my bobby. Omco software dear, I'm going to interview me as a woman to Timu, Oman got tears sorry. And in the Obi compare being when you got tears, and Nemo Yankopon was say. From time to time, maybe by obeying the baby. I don't mark a shot, sorry for Frassi. I'm over dinner Samuso, and then I drew one. I've heard a Mukati stories at Osono. A day I come and declare the Lord when I will raise up for David a righteous branch, a king who will reign wisely and do what is just and right in the land. To all my people, no my church and so on, I say, yeah, Pastor Prosper Crunchy, yeah, YouTuber. No type of heaven seekers. She not sorry mass. We don't say you never compare Pentecost. Both the pastor Cranjina sorry man. Almost says you said here. Not at Pentecost by and covenant net and son who says you said there Apostle Kumila be says you know. Son Pastor Prosper Cranchin Masu is you on. Son yes, you are sorry Mazan ministry. Son yes, Masu is you on. Almost shall trust a master. That be mean fan by me to be as well. In country will be a but Yamia some woman will say, we are bar, you show you kaba near the basket and yet trust. In the days, in his death, Judah will be saved, and Israel will live in safety. This is the name by which he will be called, the Lord our righteous Savior. The Dino, ye Dino Kranyame on Gugre de Mae, Mount Zion Teachings and Prayer Ministry. Ye church nyame asem said ye tie na ye dem paabon so atachiri nti ye church nyankopon ma kwan ye fa so siesie ye ho kwan ye fa so sum nyame kosoro ahemam ti nyame sum na pese osum no so pese de kosoro ahemam ma ye wo bra ye bo kingdom life that na president that ma that powerful message manage message no kwa mtati was it the kingdom life and I want you to say wokọ asante hin otumfo 22 birthday inauguration bi o mo ye wo ho Wakwaya onu fra America na bo hye na tade akeka chem kama tade mo ya amana nko stadium ho adenta na esese nko tutuntuma ba wanya obi amana nkyerɛkyerɛ ne se aha ye kɔ de tutuntuma nti oka gate na chi nti Kristo ahima mu na ye kɔ no ye wo dressing ya ye de kɔ ho enye ne ha wudimi ni jantra ni dress the same na nka se nyamsom de ne akoma agoro bi na modie no wudimi ni jantra ni nyina dress en kan kyerɛ ye se nyamsom de no ani akoma na the same da wo de obeto akɔso ahima da bi oboa enti Nyankopon se wayi nkofo bi a won be direct nkofo no enti sa di kanfo na wayi wo mo no wo mo ko ne nyamesom kwa se betuma be se bi no be backslide se de bi ameka kire mo no Christ apostles no nyina wo ba bonsam ntentem na me sha se ko Facebook malamfo obo ma esika ba ya benye ni pa bebre se company pa bebre a se nkami wo ni pa mo be 1000 di ma chi na ye dai ni pa 5 wasafu ni pa 5 wasafu na me de nyame asem ma wo no mo gi no mo koso ahime ma me waketua madwuma no I have not entered into the competition. Munya didn't say no. So then the days are coming, declare the Lord, when people will no longer say, as surely as the Lord lived, who brought the Israelite up out of Egypt, but they will say, as surely as the Lord lives, who brought the descendant of Israel up out of the land of the north and out of the country where he had banished them, they will live. Then they will live in their own land. Then they will live in their own land. And the abusia any other for Monsum Yankopon for Pentecost asore kesiem afutuo na enam Yankopon asem so ede amamo yi de etwa to okora na mede masem ba wiye no a wode ma me no wo Deuteronomy chapter 4. Okay, can send do chapter 4 1 to 14 quickly. I can't 9 minutes. Deuteronomy chapter 4 1 to 14. Ni nyina kasa kiremo the condition of the church, former and current. Enti mpanyifo betimati bi na ombefa. Mbetransi bi onuma fa covenant na. Covenant I hope say mu obi. We to praise temple. Teshin in West this is Abra Apostle Kote. Executive member Otemale no sabon na this pastor no muto ma yen. 2001 mo na meto no. Enti gidi say wo mu obi. I hope say wo man kasa be wo obi. Covenant no wo. Monhwem bio. Na montwe mo free copy or imitating other churches. That is not the church of Pentecost. It's supposed to be a peculiar church. Holiness unto the Lord. Pentecost man can more relationship rubber. And we really any new for front to so nkasa me da so yes of mama. Yenye ne sa. Obufu mi enfa me ho. Ya so mama. Onyame nipa bia ne wa ne ho nya hi. Jeremiah, odu we no penachi ne kwaku no adwane ne Yakobon na ade na sie. Ti nyame nipa bia ho hi. Ndimi ya ye frɛ wo frɛ me yam hia me ni nyina ye kɔ me yare kora. Me kɔ hospital. Me ampa me pressure. Doctor nsi adan. Pressure. Many are quite my men and Yamina, bia kasa me ho hi dada. Where my say go fast out from one time Pentecost so go for do ma don fo nyina ya Pentecost fo. Na ho na me fast we go to ye be time more was fako. Wo be so nyam duma be se tan ho. Fako on go so down, on ta wo wie na wo wie a. On ta wo da ba ko be wu, on so be wu. Wo wie a na bo Lazarus ni sikani no. Mo asase ni sikani ni tie ba wo wie na wo Lazarus. Ei, akwana na mi mu no no sanity. The abusia they no ma sha me ho den. Ta be ta me na wo bufu ebufum na mfa me ho bio. They say nam here enche na Yesu aba. Nti adwuma no na say ye be kɔ ne sade ye wode ama yen. We are going according to the word given to us. Nere ne ano ye hufo kakra ya na o soro mpese e na be pedi to e kura man kan kire no oba ne da YouTube dada. Nyame hira. Deuteronomy chapter 4. Now Israel, hear the decree and laws I am about to teach you. Follow them so that you may live and may go in and take possession of the land the Lord, the God of your ancestors is giving you. Do not add to what I command you, and do not subtract from it, but keep the command of the Lord your God that I give you. Ebusia for Pentecost for Yakobon ne mpanyimfo na de asoro ba no nyapam. E na wo ka to wo se mamu mfa bi nka ho mamu nyi bi mfirim. Nse ene Pentecost ma ese say asofo no say ya. Eye ade a moyi bibi afirim. Na mo de bibi abeka ho. Obi beka se ye hu apam no se Yakobon kan se ana se Yakobon kan se mo nkato mu tiso ana mo nyim tiso mo nche trosa ana mo nche trosa mo nka moyra na mo keka moyre mo nyim hungu ana mo nyim hungu ho wa kan ni nyina wa nka him ba wo se ma ye nsua te de wo beto ye no wo ma beto wo mo se na no mo siesi wo mo ho se no mo ye ma de eno na hia ene edi be hu se ye yi bibi afiri ma na ye nyi bibi afiri ma ke no ye broni o na na yere ye broni fitan no kata ni tiso wo ko fa no foto mi na mo hwe sa na tie no bia broni no kata ni tiso asomafo na kwade edi kan nyina no mkato mutire so na anu ya na ya ka kire mo se mo pa ba nyam so mo pa enim nti wo mayi bibi afirim na mo de bibi ka ho na ma Yakobon bo afuru nyam nhira. Verse 3. You saw with your own eyes what the Lord did at Beer-Peor. The Lord your God destroyed from among you everyone who followed the Baal of Peor. But all of you who held fast to the Lord your God are still alive today. See, I have taught you decrees and laws as the Lord my God commanded me, so that you may follow them in the land you are entering to take possession of it. Observe them carefully, for this will show your wisdom and understanding to the nation who will hear about all these decrees and say, surely this great nation is a wise and understanding people. And Moses in an second when watch to and working kaya said the Nanan a Janamo Dian or Matra to her. Omatra almost more tronom they are educated members now bemuno. Now my year and she share at Dahomaye. Tina say now the Fufraba now can't and Fufra, Opasa day. Then I pass ye. What verse 6? Verse 7, right? Okay, verse 6. Observe verse 6. Surely this great nation is a high. Understand verse 7. What other nation is so great? What other nation is so great as to have their God near them, the way the Lord our God is near us whenever we pray to him? Judge for yourself. Apart from the Church of Pentecost, I saw it pay. And Omushia, someone per chairman, and then Yanko Probe Point will be. Can you understand me? It was here, I saw the Ben Omunyanko Ben on said here. Yet the Yanka tell you, and Yanko Ben here. Ye Pesitrani and then Yanko Pona Abo Bidi, never had any partner who has some near to Abamanu. I saw the bay pan and then what's our privilege? And then all of them have been squandered. I said no. And what other nation is so great as to have such righteous decrees and laws as this body of laws I am setting before you today? And Gasori Bear Crown and Como say righteous word of God. Said the Nanka Pentecost to Kuram. And the Maja to was a Yamsumania Kumem. Ye moved to one Maba and into Mimbram Bebre. Who came from the beginning of the covenant. I was in your draw and Akitoa. Name was so many Yamias and Bayajman here. Only be careful and watch yourself closely so that you do not forget the things your eye have seen, or let them fade from your heart as long as you live. Teach them to your children and to their children after them. Etinka mabruna mosi omu jaya sore no ntino mo sisa no memono enka ne papa ma mochi omu trase na mo the covenant we bue mu akire won sa sore we efiri ba bi ne ye ba ye twoma ko ba bi ti ye hihye Nyankopon de amenti esremo se wa ko school na se wadanfo bi Eco Central Gospel Church nti wo ye se a different from Church of Pentecost, different from Central Gospel Church. And then Kayanka move. So Church of Pentecost, not what that would be a word miracle. That doesn't mean that as all you almost what the enemy there be. Internet is saying educated and Quarano. It's the same because Yam woman, yes, I know. There's an educated one. Yet you want transit. Near Chile want the consequence of the life they have chosen. Remember the day you stood before the Lord your God at Horeb, where he said to me, assemble the people before me to hear my word, so that they may learn to revere me as long as they live in the land. I'm from here. Emeranity and Empesa Edru, and upload to Nana. A word to a wise is enough. Yankopon, Onshira, no more Wakumum, on one wet master, same way, yes, with him. Amen.